Parvasi Bharatiya Divas (NRI Day). This event is celebrated annually on January 9. The purpose of celebrating Parvasi Bharatiya Divas is to recognize the overseas Indians who have contributed to the development of India. This day was first observed in 2003. Parvasi Bharatiya Divas is celebrated on January 9 because the father of the nation Mahatma Gandhi returned to India from South Africa on January 9, 1915. Mahatma Gandhi is considered the greatest migrant because he led India's freedom struggle and also brought changes in society for the proper upliftment of our citizens and country. It will be celebrated the 17th Parvasi Bharatiya Divas in 2022. Since 2003, PBD conventions are being held every year. Its format has been revised since 2015 to celebrate the PBD once every 2 years and to hold theme-based PBD conferences during the interviewing period with participations from overseas diaspora experts, policymakers, and stakeholders. PBD is celebrated to mark the contribution of the overseas Indian community to the development of India. On 9 January 1915, Mahatma Gandhi came back to India from South Africa and got the title of the greatest Parvasi. Gandhi led India's freedom struggle and made India free from British colonizations. He brought a drastic change in the lives of Indians through his ideals of peace and non-violence also created an example that if a person's dreams and desires are clear, he or she can achieve anything. As a non-resident India or Pravasi, he is presented as a symbol of a change and development that could bring into India. According to the Indian government, NRI has global exposure in terms and business and development strategies around the world. If some opportunities is provided to them, they will contribute to the developmental process by infusing their ideas and experiences on their motherland, India. Its objective is to provide an open platform for NRIs to express their feelings, outlooks, and perceptions about India. Another objective of Pravasi Bharatiya Divas is to create a network of NRIs in all the countries of the world and contact the younger generations with immigrants. This day is celebrated to know the difficulties faced by the Indian laborers living abroad and the government resolve their issues. On this day, the government puts a focus on reconnecting overseas Indians with their roots so that they can contribute significantly to the development of the country. Pravasi Bharatiya Divas conventions held in New Delhi. Regional Pravasi Bharatiya Divas is organized outside India. The 2050 year marked 100 years of a century of the returns of Mahatma Gandhi, so the 2050 celebration of PDP was a symbolic one. At the convention of PBD, awards are given to the deserving ones. PBD's main aim is to connect the Indian diaspora. So, Parvasi Bharatiya Divas or NRI Day is celebrated to link up the Indian diaspora to commemorate the achievements of individuals of Indian origins in various fields. This event pursues them to bring their knowledge and expertise to their motherland and contribute to its growth.